Okay, I was trying to do something more fun and utilize this printer paper. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. This is just from a regular Word document. I basically just used Word to create this here. And I now have this here. I saved it as a PDF. And I'm going to go ahead now and print this on the printer paper. So this is the paper. This is the True Heat Transfer paper. It's made for dark prints, and I intentionally went with the colors I went with on my design because I wanted it to pop when I actually print it out. Now you have the option to use a Cricut, but I'm not going to be using a Cricut because not everybody has one. So I want to show you that you can actually do this on an inkjet printer, which is what it says here. And this is what the paper looks like. So you have this side, which is the sticky side. This is a transfer paper. And then you have this other side. Obviously, I'm going to be printing on the clear side. So I'm just going to feed it into my inkjet printer right there, like so. This is just a regular HP OfficeJet 38. This is a wicked old machine. So we're going to go ahead and print it. It does come with instructions of what you need to do here. And I'm just going to send this over to my printer. Okay, so it's going to take a while because obviously this is going to use up a bit of ink, but don't worry about it. Everything should print out okay. We're not in a rush. My printer is just going to process it, but see, it's coming out just fine, and the colors look very vibrant. There you go. Okay, so there you go. This took about 45 seconds, which I think it takes a little longer than just all black, but this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to go ahead and cut around this because I don't want just anything that's, I just don't want it as a triangle. I mean, not a triangle. I don't want it as a rectangle. So I'm just going to cut around this a little bit just to give it a little bit of shape. And then I am going to go ahead and put this on my shirt.